Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Jopat Tech Guru. In today's session, I'm going to discuss regarding the abstract classes. This is a part of your C# tutorial. In the previous video, I have already discussed regarding interfaces, and as per the standard interview question is there, they'll always ask you what is the difference between interfaces as well as abstract classes. So today I'm going to discuss regarding abstract classes. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, like the video and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Okay. So first of all, let us start the discussion regarding the syntaxes as well as the definitions. So what is an abstract classes and what are abstract methods? So data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. So as per the OOPS concept is concerned, we are having 4 pillars of OOPS, that is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So if you are talking about the data abstraction, here you are hiding the irrelevant information and giving only the relevant information as per the program is required. So whenever you are hiding the information, so you can just reveal it if it is necessary. So for this abstraction, suppose I would like to give you an example regarding the abstraction. Suppose if you are going to a showroom to purchase a car with your family, and your family members may be interested in different things connected with the car. So your father may ask regarding the engine make, your mother may ask regarding the color, you may be interested in EMI, how much you have to pay. So accordingly, the salesperson is going to explain you all the things. So he's not going to tell you the entire history about the car, advantage, disadvantage, problems, issues, nothing. Whatever the questions you have asked, only those questions will be answered. So here you can just imagine like the data abstraction also works in the same thing, wherein you are going to hide the certain details, you are going to hide the certain informations, and wherever it is necessary, you are going to reveal them. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract classes or interfaces. So interfaces are actually the contracts. So I have already discussed in the part 1 and part 2. Please go through those videos before coming to this abstract classes. The abstract keyword is used for classes as well as methods. So what is this abstract keyword? You can attach it to both class also as well as method also. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. So if you are adding abstract keyword for the class, first of all, I cannot create the object of that class. Second thing is what? I have to inherit it. Then only I can use that particular class. What is this abstract method? If you are adding abstract keyword for the method, it is called as abstract method. This can only be used in an abstract class and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the derived class from the inherited from. So at least one abstract method should be present inside your abstract class. Otherwise, if you are creating simply an abstract class, there is no use at all. You have to make sure that if you are creating an abstract class, at least one abstract method should be present. You can have any number of non-abstract methods, any number of abstract methods, but at least one abstract method should be present. What is the specialty of this abstract method? You don't have any function body. You are having only the function signature. How the way you are having it in case of interfaces. Interfaces are collection of pure abstract functions, right? Similarly here, abstract method is a pure function signature. There is no function body. Suppose if I'm taking an example of an abstract class like animal, here we have got public abstract void sound. So animal related sound function is there, in which we have not written anything, and this is our non-abstract function which is already having a body. You can write any of the informations whatever you want. So again, I cannot create the object of this animal. I require a derived class. I require a normal class in which I'm deriving this animal. Through that, I have to write the function body of this sound, and I can call the sleep with the object of the derived class. So what are the important features of this class? abstract class. So before that, first of all, we'll see some program and then again we'll come back to the features. So let me open the Visual Studio. I have already shown you the interfaces. I'm closing that particular program here. Let me add a new program, new item, class. This is abstract class. Currently, I don't require so many namespaces, so I'm just removing that. Let me add the static void main and one console.readline. So let me add a class, my class. We will make this as abstract class. Then I would like to take one more class called as new class, which is inheriting my class. So here I would like to take public void function1. So here I'm writing this is non-abstract method. Now we would like to have the abstract method now. So I'm going to give abstract void. Suppose I'm giving this sound only. So this should be public, fine. Now here in this case, new class, it is going to show you an error because you have to write the function body of this sound as I'm already inheriting this. So move the cursor here. It is going to give you a tooltip. So wherein you can just move the cursor and you can implement that particular interface. So here in this interface, you can just click on this implement abstract class. So once you are implementing, you can see that automatically it is going to give you the override keyword. So whenever you are having an abstract method, you can expect the override keyword. Virtual is having override, abstract is having override. So the sound is not having any function body. We have to write the function body here. So currently I'm just writing new class. This is sound function is invoked. Okay. So now how to create the object of all these things. So first of all, as we know that we cannot create the object of my class, then also I'll try to create the object of my class and let us see whether it is going to show me an error or not. New my class, right? While design time, while writing only, it is stopping you. Cannot create the instance of the abstract class type or interface my class. So here, as usual, as per our previous discussion with respect to interfaces, we have seen that we can create the instance of the interface, but we can assign it to a class. Similarly, here also you can do it. So now I'm going to create a new class object, and with the new class object here, I'm calling this function1. What is this function1? This is my non-abstract method. Fine. This is always getting called. So what about this sound function? Can I call this sound function? Yes, because you have already written the body over here. So that's why I'm able to get both the execution done. So once you execute it, you are getting the non-abstract method as well as the abstract method implementation. So this is non-abstract method and new class sound is invoked, which is abstract method. Now, can I go for one more abstract class which can inherit one more abstract class? Yes, let us try that. Now I'm creating my class 1, my class 2, fine. This is sound and function 1. And this is my one more abstract class in which I'm going to inherit my class 1. So one abstract class is inheriting one more abstract class. Fine. So here I'm taking my class 2. The rest of the things will remain same. As usual, we are going to create the object of the new class. From that class only, I'm calling function 1 and function 2. The only difference is what? I have taken my class 2 here. Fine. So my class 2 is a parent of this new class. So new class is taking all the features of my class 2 as well as my class 1. So currently I have not written anything. So this program will work perfectly. n1.function1 and your sound function. Both the things are going to get executed. Now let me try to write one more abstract function here. So let me write sound1 here. Fine. Now here I'll be getting an error because I have to implement this sound1. I have to implement this sound1, which is there inside my second abstract class. Which is there inside my second abstract class. So this is sound1 is invoked and this is present within my class 2. My class 2 abstract method. So this is my class 1 abstract method. Fine. Now, if I want to create the object of new class now, with the new class object, I'm able to call both sound as well as sound1, right? I should call both sound as well as sound1 from the new class object. Fine. So now let me remove off all the things. n1 dot function1 is coming. n1 dot sound is coming. n1 dot sound1 is coming, right? All these things are going to appear. So you can create one abstract class and one more abstract class. The second abstract class can inherit the first abstract class and you will be able to access all the features. First abstract class and second abstract class, you are taking the object of this third class, which is inheriting this my class 2. So whatever non-abstract methods are there, they will be called as it is. But whatever the abstract methods are there, for those things you have to write the function body. At least you should have one abstract method. Otherwise, it is not getting called as an abstract class. So make sure that you are having at least one abstract method which should be public. Then only you can create the object of that and you can able to access the same. So this is the first part of abstract classes. First of all, you practice all these programs. Again, I'll come back to you with the second video wherein I'll be explaining you some more features about the abstract classes. So thanks for watching. If you have not liked my video, please like it. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos and please support my channel by subscribing it. Thanks everybody. Take care. Again, I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.